Section 8. Protests. The duty of a notary public on demand to protest the non-acceptance and non-payment of foreign or inland bills of exchange or promissory notes is a nearly obsolete mechanism developed before modern regulation of financial transactions. Only those notaries public employed by a financial institution, and in the course and scope of that employment, are permitted to perform protests with regard to the specific financial documents described by California law. Because only notaries public employed by a financial institution can perform a protest in the course and scope of their employment, no fee is prescribed for the notarial service, since it is part of the notary public service to the financial institution. California Government Code, Sections 8205 and 8208. California Commercial Code Section 3505. Section 9. Depositions. When requested, it is a duty of a notary public to take depositions. However, a notary public cannot record and transcribe an oral deposition in shorthand unless the notary public is also a certified shorthand reporter and licensed by the Court Reporters Board of California. A notary public may take an oral deposition by writing it out in longhand or typing it out longhand on an electronic device. This may be awkward and cause confusion or misunderstanding. If a notary public is asked to take a deposition and the notary public is not a certified shorthand reporter, the notary public should inform the person asking the notary public to take the deposition that the notary public can take the deposition by hand in longhand or by typing the deposition in longhand, or the person may wish to contact a certified shorthand reporter to take the deposition. Generally, a deposition is a method of providing oral or written testimony under oath outside of a court proceeding. California Civil Code, Section 14, California Code of Civil Procedure, Section 17, 2025.01 at CQ, and 2028.01 at SEC. During an oral deposition, a witness who has been put under oath answers questions from a judge, attorney, or other officer of a court. In a civil proceeding, a deposition officer, who also is a certified shorthand reporter, can put a witness under oath and record the oral deposition in shorthand for transcribing the shorthand record into a standard English language, verbatim written transcript of the questions, answers, and other statements made during the deposition. California Code of Civil Procedure, Section 2025.330. Consequently, although it is a duty of a notary public to take depositions, a notary public is not necessary when a deposition is conducted. Section 10. Confidential marriages. A notary public who is interested in obtaining authorization to issue confidential marriage licenses may apply to the county clerk for approval in the county in which the notary public resides. A notary public must not issue a confidential marriage license unless he or she is approved by the county clerk having jurisdiction. The county clerk offers a course of instruction which a notary public must complete before authorization will be granted. Additionally, in order for a notary public to perform the marriage, he/she must be one of the persons authorized under California law, e.g., priest, minister, or rabbi. California Family Code Sections 400 to 402. The county clerk in the county where the notary public resides may or may not approve the authorization to issue confidential marriage licenses. The county clerk should be consulted if the notary public is interested in obtaining approval. California Family Code, Section 530A at CQ